Who is DesSoft? DesSoft is a design software company that has written software for engineering design documentation for the process, instrumentation, and electrical departments, as well as for fiber network layouts. The people of DesSoft started writing software already in the early 90s for a company level, and then in the middle 90s on a national level for various products that was used widely within our country, and then on an international level, software that was used in 50 different countries. And then in 2001, DesSoft was founded, and since then used the best we have developed and create our own products. We are also a level 2 BEE company with 51% black owned status. Our products are DesSoft PNID, which contains two modes, the process flow diagrams and then also the piping and instrumentation diagrams. Then we have FDes, which is our field bus and instrumentation designer, and EDes, our electrical designer for low voltage. And all of these documents, instrumentation and electrical, focus on the bulk documents that you need into those two departments. Just to give you a better understanding, normally when in any plant design, 80% of your documents come from those two departments, where the cost of creating a plant, 80% of the cost is from the other departments. So yes, the bulk of documents in any of the design is coming then from these type of applications. So then you also have our fiber network designer DNT for your outside plant type documents. In the 4 industrial platform, we realized that it doesn't matter where you start and where you're going. If it's plant management, digital twin, all of these applications need the granular information. And when you're grinding down to really where you start, the conclusion came that it starts with the similar applications as DesSoft applications, our plant details. So yes, for any of your PLC, SCADA, MES applications to do plant management, if you have proper foundation, then you have proper information, and that's what we can provide with our DesSoft applications. And the same goes for your digital twin. Even if you do simulation or IoT devices, you will need to know what is a motor, how many valves do you have, all that type of information. And again, that's where you get it in the plant details of the DesSoft applications. One big benefit of our system is that it's integrated into one database, so it is natively designed to work with the same record in a database from each of the applications. If you're working on a motor in a PNID and you work with EDS within that motor, it's working with the same piece of information. The same references can be seen in both applications, so departments share their information. The same for FDes, working on a valve, working exactly on the same record as the PNID, and again share the same information. The immediate benefits of having an integrated system and one source of the truth is that you have accurate information. You eliminate duplication of equipment between the departments. Very often that is the case, and then it's really ensuring be able to preserve your valuable information. Then your assets became accurate because you have one source of the truth. They are proper information because it's shared between departments and all of them contribute to the same piece of information. And it is digital because it's also in a database. Further, on the costing side, just imagine if you have accurate documentation the whole time, and especially in the instrumentation world, it saves a lot of time every time the plant is down. For a simple example is looking to find a fuse when a valve doesn't want to open. Traditionally, people will do cable tracing to find fuse 53 because they don't know which fuse is applicable to this valve. But if you have a document that you can quickly open and see, okay, it is fuse 53, you can go directly to that fuse, saving about half an hour of time waste to just trace the fuse. If you can do that every week, saving half an hour, and every month how many hours did you save by then, and then per year, and if that can contribute to your bottom line when your plant is running, you can just imagine what you can save through that. Also, on your insurance premiums, Insurers, when you can prove that you have exact list of assets and you know exactly what they are, there's a chance that they reduce their premiums for you. They know that you have the correct information. Thank you to just listen to this, and now you know what DesSoft is all about. If you want to know more about us, please contact us at these details. Thank you.